Welcome to 1 minute class, and in this 1 minute class we will do what is Industrial Disputes Act and the objectives of Industrial Dispute Act. Industrial dispute is basically a dispute between the employers and employees, that is the owners and the workers. Let the countdown begin. What is Industrial Disputes Act? It is a law which promotes peaceful settlement of dispute between employers and employees. The act promotes harmonious relationship between employers and employees. It was passed in the year 1947 and is considered as one of the most important labor laws, even for exam. The objectives of the act was stated in the case of Dimakuchi Tea Estate. The objectives are to promote good relation between employers and employees, for investigation and settlement of disputes, and to give a right of representation for trade unions, preventing illegal strikes and lockouts, providing remedy for workmen who have been laid off. The last objective is promoting collective bargaining by the workers. This act extends to the whole of India, including Jammu and Kashmir. Lastly, the act was designed to provide a self-contained code to compel the parties to solve their dispute by industrial arbitration. That was 1 minute class on Industrial Dispute Act and the objectives of the Industrial Disputes Act. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up icon and also share it with your friends. And remember, subscribe to Ekcel Academy, your one-stop solution for CS course.